we got one more for y'all motherfuckers. You already know what I'm saying. Coconuts, cannabis. We gonna make this shit 13 songs, 10 to 12, man. Fuck it. Man, this piece for itself, man. You already know what the fuck going on, bro.
Yeah, swag. It's our swag.
I didn't wanna